Hey, good morning, members of UHC. This is Paul C. Tiarina, nutritional therapist. I'm here in Vegas and I'm outside my office, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for your time yesterday and for that opportunity that I had to present what I feel to be some very crucial and powerful information. And thank you so much, Becky, and any directors or administrators or managers that help facilitate that, because what you guys are doing there is so great and powerful, giving people access to this health information. I think, like we said yesterday, when you find health, you find yourself, and the beginning of that is real food, sleep, and mindfulness, in our opinion, and some kind of a fitness program. So anyway, I just want to say thank you so much for that opportunity. What we're doing as a follow-up is we have a PDF with as much information as I can cram into it, a bunch of the stuff that we talked about, some useful things you can print out and put up on your fridge. We've also got a PDF slide deck of the entire presentation that we went through yesterday. That will be a link because it's going to be a large file. And then what else? We got ways for us to connect, so at a minimum, I would recommend connecting with me through my newsletter on Instagram and on Facebook. We're really active on Instagram. We put out really free, useful, powerful information most days and little videos and stuff like that. We have a great YouTube channel with some cooking videos and mindfulness videos. I also will have some links to some guided meditations where I take people through a similar process as what we did yesterday, but it's part guided with part practice built into it. And we've gotten some really good responses and reviews on that. Some mindfulness concept videos. So we'll just give you access to a lot of different things, and you can chip away at it however you feel comfortable. The final thing I want to say, as we mentioned yesterday, in 2 days, on Saturday, that's January 9th, we have our next iteration of our annual masterclass. We call it Mastering Real Food for a Lifetime, kicking off at 10:30 a.m. PST. That's virtual or in person. And I'd love to invite you guys to come. There's 2 different ways you can sign up. You can sign up with a one-time fee or a monthly membership fee. Either way, you get access to this online community, which is amazing. And in this community, of course, you have this masterclass. It's an 8-week masterclass. We'll share the details of it. There's a link that has a web post that has all the details. But then we also have, throughout the year, everything health-related: sleep, meditation, grounding, being outdoors in nature, minimalism, simplicity, preparing for emergencies, like you name it. It's all in there, and it's a great place to love and support. So again, thank you so much for your time yesterday. If you have any questions whatsoever, I'm living a life of service. You can reach out to me, you can call me, you can text me, you can email me, you can get in touch with me whatever way makes sense, and I'll be there for you. Okay, thank y'all so much.